Hey ladies, here we are with another seamless sew-in. Look at that sew-in. It is gorgeous. We left those edges out, of course. We don't braid those edges in. We want to make sure that they are not tempered or any stress put on those edges. So we did leave those edges out so she can pull it back behind her ear and in a ponytail. And yes, I know she has color on her hairline. We will be taking care of that at the end of the service because I know you see it. You guys don't miss a thing, but I like that about you. So I'm just gonna add a couple of curls in her hair just to give it some body and some volume. Hope you enjoyed this video. She's getting some curls, and that's pretty much about it. We wanted a free flowing sew in, and here you go. Enjoy the video. Sorry about the lighting and things like that. I am working on it, guys. Hang in there with me, and it will get better over time. Thanks. Enjoy the video.